Now, coming to you, Rachna, like in the starting, I'm sure you must have heard this line that Delphic is the twin of the Olympic Games and all of that. That's the tagline. Okay, so a lot of actors, we did this whole campaign where they were talking about it, and they said it's the twin of Olympics is Delphic. So, can you give me a little brief, a little history about how these are related? And though I know, but I would like to hear it from you.
Okay, yeah. So I think the very first line that even I heard, and then which I have also been telling everyone when I tell them about Delphic, is that, what Olympics is to sports, Delphic is to art and culture. But the entire depth of what Delphic is all about and what the roots of Delphic are all about is something that I've learned over last 6 months when I interacted with, people who have been part of this movement for last so many years. And I think the history, the entire roots of Delphic, when we come to know about it, are extremely soulful and beautiful. So the history of Delphic games goes back to about 2,500 years. And the entire origin of these games started in Greece, in a small village called Delphi. And there were 12 warring tribes. They were always at war with each other. And their high priestess called Pythia advised them that, the only way you can get out of this entire chaos and this entire fighting that you people are doing is by engaging in something which can bring peace and harmony. And that's when Pythian games started. And when Pythian games started, they involved everything from sports to art and culture, music, dancing, performing arts, as well as all the other sports. They were all part of it. And that is how peace and harmony was established at that point in time, 2,500 years back. Now that we are so much more evolved, I think there is no reason why Delphic Games can't again establish the same thing. Now, coming back to the diversification of Olympics and Delphic, so I think after a lot of wars and all that happened, Pythian games were lost and all that. And when they restarted by somebody, who remembered that, okay, games again can bring in peace and harmony and can bring people together. These games started again, but they were called Olympic Games and only sports was part of it. Music and art and culture was not part of it. About 27 years back, our current Secretary General and founder, Mr. Christian B. Kirsch, he decided he, was very, very passionate about this entire art and culture and bringing peace and harmony. And he started International Delphic Council. And I think thanks to his entire vision, we are all sitting here together and you and I are talking passionately about this subject.